all that. So how this works is, this is a shared home here. That's one person's garden, and then the fence down there, every single garden is like this. This is stinging nettle, we've got bramble in here, seedlings, paid someone to do the front. They've just done like a quick grass cut and it looks pretty bad. We'll get all the edges back, we'll get rid of all these weeds, and we'll and look at how many are here. But I'm gonna in the last video you've seen that Chris sent me the tools out. They've also sent right, so them flags there, any noise, see that's going in there now. I'm just going to get stung everywhere, so my goal when I do these jobs is just to make it easy to maintain in the future. We've got all the path back, we've opened this area all the way up compared to stuff like that. We'll move on to the front. Wasn't that much at the front to be like a toy, so that's definitely a big upgrade. I know what they mean now. But oh, they're everywhere, and then they kind of push you back a little bit, so the difference is ridiculous. These fences are a bit of a shame. They're all wood, so they're just rotten under down, and it's tidy, isn't it? Well, I've done it for you today.
Thank you so much.
So it's not the...
Thank you so much.
Right, well, enjoy your weekend and everything.
Yeah.